Do you know how hackers and ethical hackers uncover IP addresses of any websites? Stick around because in this video I'll show you how to do it using Kali with a tool so simple it'll blow your mind. And I've got something for you. Yes, a gift card. Gift card waiting you somewhere in the video. Learn and earn how that sounds. Yes, one lucky viewer will get a gift card, so keep watching for details. Picture this, you're troubleshooting a network issue or performing your pen testing and you need to locate the server behind the website. Without the IP address, you're stuck. That's where the legendary tool NSLookup comes in. It's like having a magic key to decode the internet. But wait, here's where things get exciting. Hackers and cybersecurity experts use this same tool for very different reasons. Let me show you how exactly and how it works. First thing first, fire up your Kali Linux and jump right to your terminal. So for this demo, I'll use a very well-known website, which is google.com, or I can even expose my website on this video. Stick around. So go type NSLookup google.com. And let's see what's happened. And boom, here's what we've got. The IP address is right here. And you can see the name server, which is google.com. But what does that mean? The IP address points to the server that's hosting this website. They are like traffic controllers for internet domains. But we're not stopping here. You can use NSLookup to query a specific DNS server. For instance, google.com, and let's use a very well-known server which belongs to google.com. So here is the result. We didn't get the same IP address because Google has a lot of IPs. But let's try it with my website, NSLookup secure.us. As you can see here, we've got the address. Let's request it with DNS server, NSLookup secure.us, and specify the Google server. And there you go, we've got the same IP address, but this time we used DNS server to fetch it. Ethical hackers often do this to ensure they're getting accurate data. Let's clear this. And if you want to know who owns a specific IP address, just do this, NSLookup, then give it your IP address. And this IP address belongs to facebook.com. It's a simple reverse NSLookup. Okay, time for some real talk. While tools like NSLookup are essential for ethical hacking, they can also be used maliciously. Hackers might use this to map an organization's infrastructure or plan an attack. But don't worry, there are ways to defend yourself. Use services like Cloudflare to mask your IP address. By the way, I'm using it on my website. If we just come back here and NSLookup my IP address, if you want to reverse it, we won't get anything because this IP address is just a random IP address. It's not a real one. When we do NSLookup and type my website, even though you get those server IP address and stuff like that, they're not real one. To put it more simple, think of it like a public IP address and a private one. So what Cloudflare basically do, it hides my real IP address and it shows a public one to the public. You've got this. Implement firewalls to filter out suspicious traffic. Monitor DNS requests for unusual patterns. Stay informed and you'll stay protected. So before we wrap up, here's the exciting part. I'm giving away a gift card to a lucky viewer. Here's how to grab it. The rules are so simple. Like the video if you enjoyed it, of course, and learned something new. And subscribe to the channel if you haven't already yet. And comment below your next topic that you want me to cover. The winner will be picked up randomly from the comment and will be announced in the next video. So don't miss your chance.